afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question, question number 52. And the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. And we're to use this instruction to answer question 41 to 70. And the sentence here say John's father has just bought a dash car. John's father has just bought a dash car. This question is from adjective. It's from adjective, and it is what we call compound adjective. Compound adjective. Compound adjective. Option A say brand new blue Japanese sports car. Option C say brand new Japanese blue sports car. C say brand new sport Japanese blue. D say Japanese blue sport brand new. E say new brand blue sport Japanese. So the in compound adjective, we talk about the call, the product, then the color, and then the country of the product. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos so we can say that